Dominique.
And I'm Brittany.
And we are minivan_space confessions. If this is Facebook, go ahead and give this a like. And if this is YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
We are going to adventure today, guys.
Yes.
We came out to one of the parks that are kind of local for us. It's really pretty here. Dominique has never been in this section of the park. I've been here a few times. It's really nice in there. So we're gonna start to adventure. We're like sitting on this little like log right now. She's super cute. I really love trees. I'm sad that she's down, but I'm sure it just fell. You know? That's what I'm going to do. Oh my God, is there something in that house?
I certainly hope not.
Yeah, me too. I'm kind of scared to get out right now. Oh man, you should be filming me.
I actually am recording, but it wasn't right on you because I was trying to make sure it was sturdy. Look, because this is what's happening. This is what I'm trying to stop from happening, and I don't know how.
Okay. I really need to see this though. I really want to know if I did see something in that hole.
What do you think you saw? I'm pretty sure my butt was on that hole. Or it was between our butts or her butt. One of our butts was definitely on that hole.
I don't know what. I don't know, but it's super slimy in there. I don't know, it looks so weird. Yeah. You have to look with your eye and then see what I see.
I think it's just full of gunk.
Well, it looks like eyeballs or something at first.
I think it's probably some mud or something.
I didn't want your butt to get bitten.
Yeah, that would not be ideal.
What is wrong with me? Are you filming me? Oh my God. Well, then I'm gonna make you follow me, bitch.
When you were like, I'm gonna go hug a tree, I was like, this feels like a good moment to start recording.
Look how fucking incredible this place is. I find the weirdest things so pretty. I feel like I'm being laughed at so bad.
No. I don't have to put this in.
You should hear it though. You can hear it.
Just got cold.
I love this tree. That is weird, isn't it?
A little, but it's okay. Whatever you're into.
but I can like hear, I don't know, it's so weird. Like, I don't fucking know, I'm a weirdo, dude.
I was just about to say this here looks like cool. It looks like these are like steps up the freaking.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah, I thought that's what you meant at first until you.
No,
walked by.
like, I like how this looks. I don't know why. It never, like, looks the same to other people, though. Like, I just envision, like, something. I don't know. I'm a weirdo. They're fairy stuff. Or fairy balconies. There could be, like, little homes in there. I am a freaking weirdo. I don't really care if anybody else is.
Everybody's weird in their own way.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm like a super weirdo, I guess. I hug trees to feel better. But it worked. Didn't it?
I don't know. You have to tell me.
I'm smiling again. And I'm happy. Trees are my thing, I guess. Get pissed off? Hug a tree.
Okay. Yeah. It's better than punching someone.
It definitely is, because that's where my brain started to go. Hugging a tree changed my mind. Aw, snap. Is this where the water pump thing is? It is! There's like this old like water pump thing. That is fucking annoying.
Does it still work?
Ah! Man, I don't put this in my pocket no more.
Yeah.
It
Oh.
does! Look at it go!
That's cool.
You like how I make it all wet? That's bad.
It's pouring buckets.
That's what it be like.
Does that bucket have a hole in it?
Yeah, it's rusted.
It's not really doing anybody any good. The hole doesn't look as big as it seems like from the bottom. Or at least when you were pouring it, it looked like it was like literally just pouring right out the bottom, like it was just like a shallow bottom.
You know, she's a squirter. You perv. Do you want to pump the water?
I'm good.
Do you want to pump the water?
My sinuses are all messed up.
Oh no. You just suck them back. That's all you can do.
Yeah. My sinuses are driving me nuts. It's like a warm day here
Kind of. It got
compared
a
to
little.
what it's been.
Yeah, it got a little chilly.
Yeah, it was definitely warmer during the day.
For sure.
I was outside with like just a hoodie on now. I'm in my coat.
There's a tree down. There's a lot of sad trees. How sad.
Oh, the pine cones are red.
I know, there's a lot of pine cones. Can they see the pine cones? See all those pine cones? They're so beautiful. It's so
can.
Okay, we're back. Looks like it's like a carpet.
Huh?
So it looks like it's like a carpet path leading us.
Look, there's a whole bunch of deer. You hear it? We were out here like grazing. We're so close by. Very close. I probably shouldn't have been so long.
I wish I would have got that. If my camera would have been facing that way, I would have had it.
There were at least like 4.
There's like a lot up here. Well, actually, I don't know. I just heard a lot of what sounded like a lot. When they were like running away and kind of going different-ish directions, like all that way, but like.
Look at that, that's so cool.
This looks so freaking pretty. This looks like we're down, like going in like a, I don't know. I don't know how to explain what's in my head. I feel like it's like a path like leading us, trying to lead us somewhere.
Yeah. It's all on a beautiful walk. With all the trees.
And it was like an aisle, walk down and get married. It's probably what yours would look like. Like nature on the ground and trees all along the side of you, like aisle walking down to get married.
I would love that. Did you just I thought you said
No, I did not say
No, like nom nom nom. Like that's what I thought you were doing, but like with a breathy.
That would be so creepy.
That's what I thought you did.
Oh my gosh.
Oh fuck. Man, where are my tubes? I got some tubes around here somewhere. Maybe down there.
You have tubes here?
Yeah, I've realized how weird that sounded. Be careful, girl.
Yeah.
Oh,
You do.
they're tubes. These tubes.
Oh, that is not what I was expecting to see.
So,
I was like, you think you really still have your like tubes, inner tubes here, like someone didn't steal them. Like, I think they're gone, bitch.
they went bye-bye. Bye-bye long time ago. I don't know. The one time I was here and know I saw something so. Dustin made me straddle these tubes. Well, he didn't make me. I was like, hold on, let me go sit on these.
That's a little different than being made.
Yeah, and he was taking pictures, and I was like straddling them, and I was like. I think this trail ends. I feel like. I'm not sure. I think if we go that way, it takes you over to the other like parking place. Let's go that way, actually. This looks a little easier. Maybe not. People be slipping. Oh. Just do it. Just don't fight it. Just go.
I was sliding anyways.
Yeah, see, look, here's another path.
I thought the rocks went over enough that we could get out there.
No, I wish. My guitar's kind of like a microphone over there. Hey, y'all. This is Brittany here from Minivan_Space Confessions. We are in the woods here. I had already found another tree lover. She's pretty amazing. We're gonna walk now, okay? Because I don't even know what I'm doing.
You heard it here first. Brittany doesn't know what she's doing.
Story of my life.
MVC News. Minivan
This is my
Confessions
first
News.
boyfriend.
I can see why.
Or my
He
first
stands at attention.
Those bumps kind of scare me a little, though.
It's like one of those dildos with all those bumps that are supposed to be for her pleasure.
Right? Like, yes, please. All right, sweetness.
Something funny might happen.
Me and my tree.
I mean, you getting to your tree.
You know,
I'm gonna keep the camera on you.
I got all that booty. Make sure this shit is zipped. Oh. This one makes me a little nervous.
It almost looks like you have like no legs, like you're really short. Cause like your feet blend into the water in the like picture, like looking through my camera.
I got legs, y'all, I swear. They might be a little shorter than most, but not that much.
I think maybe we should. Oh, it's dark. Too dark to see.
I hope I put that jar in my bag.
I didn't see anything. When I picked up my stuff to make sure I had it to walk away, and I didn't see anything.
It's not here, so that must be.
You can like.
This kind of works, huh? Yeah. We's walking in the woods. You can kind of see behind us, actually.
Yeah. You can definitely see better from this way. Oh, we might be able to see better now. We just came out of like clean, but we're about to go into another one.
Yes. It's very dark in here. Like it's shaded pretty. Oh, got me. Got you too, huh?
I keep taking them with me and they keep going like between my feet.
That trek looks a little treacherous, though. That is a treacherous trek. Especially with them jaggers going right in our crotches.
Yeah.
And I got leggings on. And no drawers.
Well, we could maybe go down further.
You found a tree that caught your attention?
No, I didn't. I just looked up here and saw there was like a path here. And, I didn't really look yet.
calf caught my attention.
Man, I'm the clumsiest freaking person. Man.
Ouch, I got a jagger in my finger.
Yeah, there's a lot of brush down here.
Okay, cut it out. There's a lot of jaggers. There's a jagger right here. Okay, abort. Ouch. Oh, I just looked up and a raindrop went right in my eyeball.
That's good luck.
Is it?
Sure is.
It doesn't feel like it.
Well,
Feels like ouch.
I can't really see the trail because I'm trying to like figure out this light situation.
Alright, so if you liked our adventure tonight, you know, throughout the woods, give this a thumbs up, share this, comment, all those nice things.
If this is Facebook, make sure you guys are liking our page. And if this is Instagram and Twitter, make sure you guys are following us. Please, guys, give us some love on social media too. And share us, please. Please, please, please. Please share. If you have to, do it privately. We would prefer publicly, so more people see it though, you know? But if you're embarrassed of us, because that can happen, you can share us privately.
Yep, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.